Our story began in 2010 when we revitalized the old military mess building. This is how a family brewery was established, together with a restaurant, pub and hotel. Soon our adventure with beer turned into a real passion, which made us produce 6 styles of beer. We built a larger brewery and we implemented a new production line. And how is beer made? After grinding, the highest quality malts go to the brew house where the process of mashing with water takes place. Then, during filtration, we obtain a wort, that is an extract that is boiled with hops. When the boil is complete, we cool down the previously hopped wort to the temperature where yeast is added. Fermentation takes about a week, maturation 4 to 5 weeks. Our beer is made of high-quality ingredients. We pay attention to every detail. That's why the final effect is so important, including the visual one. The label is the first thing the customer sees. Fulfilling an informational and marketing job allows the customer to notice our product. That's why it is so important that the label application and data printing are of highest quality, and that was achieved thanks to the Intrex labeling system.
We have delivered a custom-made solution designed to suit all of our customers' needs. This labeler is capable of achieving capacity of up to 6,000 bottles per hour while maintaining high-quality label application and precision. Date and batch number are printed using Domino V-Series TTO printer, which is seamlessly integrated into the labeler. Thanks to the cooperation with the customer on all stages of machine design and production process, the final product is safe, easy to use and maintain, and works well with all other components of the production line.
While choosing a supplier of the labeling machine, we were mostly guided by the quality and flexibility in the selection of possible solutions. Intrex has proven itself from the very beginning. It has offered and delivered the labeling system that meets all our expectations. Our cooperation, from the identifying of our needs to providing technical service and after sales, was and still is on the highest level.